Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ankita Art Gallery. I am Ankita and today I am filling my sketchbook. I am using acrylic color. Well, it is very easy to use acrylic. Today I will tell you the difference between acrylic and oil color. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's begin. The difference between acrylic and oil paints. Oil paints have much slower dry times than acrylic paints. You will have more flexibility when oil paint due to the longer the dry times. Oil paint approximately takes 6 to 7 months to dry properly. Now, I will tell you acrylic and oil can be used together or not. It is not a good idea to mix oil paints and acrylic paints together on your palette before applying them to the canvas. If you want to paint one first and then the other, it is okay to paint oils over acrylic, but never paint acrylic over oils. If you are beginners, then acrylic paint is pretty easy to work with because acrylic paints dry very quickly. Acrylic and oil is very different to each other. First, acrylic paint are extremely versatile and ideal for fine brush work, glazing, tanning, water media techniques and many more. This smooth and light paint has excellent pigment quality, color strength and durability. The acrylic paint can be applied to almost any suitable surface like watercolor paper or canvas. But on the other hand, oil paint is very durable and provide a glossy looking finish. Brush strokes fill themselves into a smooth, rich varnish. Oil-based paint have long lasting and blends well with other oil dry slowly, so it's get advantage as making change to the work along the way. I really love to work with oil color. My most of the work in oil, but I like acrylic too. As you can see, I generally do my all sketchbook work with acrylic color. My favorite brand in oil is Camlin Artist Color, and in acrylic I use Camel Acrylic Color. Now I will tell you how to get started with oil painting. Okay. First, choose brush and boards for painting. Figure out which brush works best for you. Okay. Second, find the right oil paints. You don't need a huge palette to create great work. Third, paint with the dry brush techniques. Fourth, most ready-made oil painting medium have solvent in them. I generally do not paint with the medium and use paint straight from the tube. You can try linseed oil or walnut oil to see it suits you, but it might slow down drying time. So I think you do the dry brush. It will be good for the painting. Now I will tell you oil painting techniques to transfer your artwork. When you are first learning to paint, these tips could transfer your process and breathe new life into your oil painting. First, hold the paintbrush correctly. Second, master your brush orientation. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Orientation. Okay, don't worry, I will clear this point to you. Master your brush orientation means during the process of painting, it can be very easy to forget that your brush has two sides or orientation. You are not limited to always making wide strokes using the flat side of your brush, as every brush can be turned out its side from the sharper lines or strokes. Learning to control your lines with your brush orientation will help your paint faster and it's more functional. Third, vary your pressure. Avoid having heavy hands with your paintbrush. Sometimes the pressure that you apply with a stroke can make the difference between the perfection and a mess. The heavier your pressure, the more your paint will be blend and create a ridges along the sides of your brush strokes. So keep your color and fourth, keep your color pure. Be careful when you grab from the paint trails on your palette. Make sure that your brush are clean or you will taint the colors you want to use. To pressure the intensity of the colors straight out of the table. So remember to clean your brush regularly and often even between strokes if necessary. I hope you all like my videos and all the difference between acrylic and oil colors, and it's all paints and techniques. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.